The next topic is creating a basic shape. In Illustrator CS3 offers a large variety of shape tools to create any shapes. To create a shape, do the following. In a toolbar or in a toolbox, select the shape tool that corresponds to the shape you wish to create. Click and drag on the artboard to create desired size and the proportion of the shape. Here, drag down, choose what shape you really want to. I'll choose star. Select the shape tool you wish to use to the artboard. This will open a new window with the properties of a new shape. You can type any specific kind or with number, points of a whatever it is. Here, in this dialog box, you can change the radius of the specific shapes that you've been chosen. For additional note, holding down the Shift key while creating your shape will make an ellipse a perfect circle, a rectangle, or a square. Also, don't be upset if you make your shapes too big or too small. You can always resize them. Can resize them. Let us choose the ellipse. Press Shift key, make a perfect ellipse or perfect circle. Here you go. That's how to work with different shapes. Let's choose rounded. This is a rounded rectangle. The polygon tool. Here how it looks like. The rectangle tool. Those are the shapes available here in the Illustrator CS3. The flare tool. You can, as the on the earlier tutorials, you can easily choose by dragging the click arrow on the excess additional tools. Thank you for watching.